Hello friends, do you want to make money online easy way? If you want, you are in the right place friends. And welcome to my YouTube channel. And today this video is related Clickbank tutorial friends. How to make money from affiliate marketing. I will give complete information. Clickbank. How to get the products from there. How to do you pick up keywords by and where are you promote the products. I will give all the details. So my name is Sonu. Here I will tell the entire session separately so that you can know about affiliate marketing completely friends. Okay, it doesn't happen friends work today and get the result next day. We have to give some time there daily, then only you will be able to online learning friends. Okay, so let us tell you whole process in this video of affiliate marketing. If you are new to our channel, definitely subscribe us and press the bell icon so that you will get the new notification guys. What is the affiliate marketing? Affiliate marketing is friends so many products from different category. If you sell one products to someone, you can get commission friends. Okay, today I am joining the affiliate marketing site that's name is clickbank.com. If you don't have to account, create one. By sign up, you can create account very easily by entering your name, address, Gmail ID, phone number, etc. guys. Okay, I have an account and I am entering the Gmail and password and I am going affiliate marketplace friends. Okay, and here are so many category out there with different products. Okay friends, so best category products is health, wealth or relationship friends. Okay, each consider for the category because this is human is a very important in life. Okay friends, today I will be doing the wealth category products. Its name is get paid using Facebook, Twitter. This product belong to online job friends. To know more this product, so visit the affiliate support page. Then here email and link and video and banner, everything is available guys. This is given to you for cooperation. You can use it, no problem, no issue to promote this product friends. Okay, we need to three things promote this product: some article about photo and link. First we will download the photo. For that we will click in the bottom of banner. Okay, banner and download. I have already download friends. You can download from here. Okay, and the article will not be find in this product. For this we have to sweep with email will use. So I just email number 3 here is the title and description friends. Okay, to promote this product, get the photo, get the article to now we get the links. For the link we go to affiliates marketplace and click on the promote button here, and here you give a Clickbank ID. Friends, we cannot promote this link directly. Doing so will close our Clickbank account. And here your link is ready friends. Okay, so we will make it short and better this link. For this we go to the another website that's name is bit.ly.com. bit.ly.com and click on the create button. Here also you create account friends, and click in the create button and the paste your link here and click in the save. See how your link is get short and better. Now the link is done, the photo is done and article is done. Now we go to the another website to promote it. His name is tumblr.com friends. Here in 1 month million traffic comes here. Traffic means friends the person who uses the Tumblr. Okay, if anyone like your products, then is buy your product, you can get commission friends. Tumblr.com for this. Here also you create account friends. Create account so easy. So I already have a create. For that we promote this product. First we go to pencil icon to post here. Okay, for our first title we go to the affiliate support page email sheet. Okay friends, and from here we copy the title. We go to copy the title, we'll take the here and paste it on tumblr.com. Title is done. Now we enter the description friends. Okay, for this we go to again to affiliate support page and copy this data from here and then bring the paste it again tumblr.com. Okay, and we'll put the photo here, or you may put photo, we give a space, one space. You can upload photo, you can add audio, also upload videos also friends. So I have to put photo. For it, by clicking here, I put in here from my computer. So friends, we article also post and photo also post. Now we post the link friends. Anyone read your post, then click from here this link and go to the buy your products friends. So buy here products, you can get commission friends. Okay, then we go to the downside, copy here to here, then go to bit.ly.com, copy our link and come again to tumblr.com. then here guys see link icon, click here, then post our link here. Okay friends, you can change front also here friends. You can change this color also, change, you can use change color also friends. See, become very big. Okay friends, and you want read your products, after you like, you want to buy, so click here, then go our sales page friends. Okay, sales page, people like this product, they can buy this product. This product very good friends. If you buy this product, you can sell, you can earning money using Facebook, Twitter, etc friends. Okay, for this buy someone, you can get commission friends. Okay, now we get this keyword, the keyword that let you make your post visible to more people, friends. Okay, for this we go to affiliate support page again, and keyword also given here by copying it will keep out with our notepad. Okay friends, we'll keep it here, later we put one by one. Okay friends, everything is finished. Now we publish the post. Okay friends, click on the publish button. You can schedule also, friend, your post. After 2 hours you also can post, but now I want to publish this post, so from I publish. See, our post is live, friends. Okay, this product by someone, you can get $40, friends. Okay, commission. I hope this video will be very benefit for you. Thank you friends watching the full video, and subscribe to our YouTube channel, friends. Press the bell icon.